Welcome back, everybody. So I know with the coronavirus quarantine going on that a lot of you feel like the days just keep dragging on and it is actually March umpteenth and who knows. But for me, it's the exact opposite. This month has just been flying by. I've gotten so busy this month that I've made it almost to the entire end of the month without doing my patron shout out or my monthly giveaway, and that is just not acceptable. So I'm going to do that today with you. So I did want to, as usual, recognize those patrons out there that help support the channel. And for those of you out there who are patrons and have YouTube channels, we're going to take a look at those here in a bit, and then we'll get to this month's giveaway. But first, the patrons I want to give a special shout out to include Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, Carla Perea, Craig Thomas, Fredrickson, Gareth Frewer, Jared O'Lantern, Prince Alarming 85, Rosemary Latham, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, and Teara. Thank you all very much for supporting the channel. If anyone else out there wants to support Happy Haunting, you can do so at my Patreon page. There is a link for it below. There's special levels that get you certain things, but one of which is, of course, my shout out every month and extra entries into the giveaway. But like I said, I do like to go ahead and feature the pages of those people who have the YouTube channels. So let's go ahead and see what all of them are up to. Now, it may not surprise you to find that many of my Patreon subscribers are Halloween enthusiasts and have Halloween pages, such as Spooky Bev here. And since it is Halloween related for most of these people, some of them haven't really posted in a while, but hopefully we'll get to see more of them toward the end of the year when we get closer to Halloween, such as Spooky Bev here, who hasn't posted for 3 months, but we are all eagerly awaiting a new update. Fredrickson here does some Halloween crafting videos. Again, nothing for 3 months, but hopefully we'll see something soon. Jared O'Lantern did a giveaway about a month ago, and hopefully he'll do some more giveaways and fun videos soon. So check him out. Now we're getting into some content here. Skull Crane Entertainment does daily animatronic vlogs and videos, but it looks like, honestly, I have been so busy, I haven't had time to keep up with all these. We've got some animatronic videos here. Something about Techie Toys 2020 Halloween animatronic photos. Love this little guy here. He's very creepy. Some sort of grave digger. Spirit Halloween 2020 themes and full animatronic list leaked. 27 seconds. I don't know if that's a legit video, but as soon as this video is over, I'm going to click on it. So if you're interested, hopefully we're not going to see some clickbait there. Skull Crane Entertainment, but we'll see. And I encourage you to check it out too. Now, Created Home with G never fails to deliver when it comes to the videos. Since it's now been, I don't know, well over 4 weeks since we checked in with him, but it looks like he's still got some card crafts going on. He does a lot of crafting, card making, decorating videos. Looks like he's doing some abstract acrylic painting. And let's see, I don't know what these things are. Some decorative things, some more Christmassy videos, because he is also Created Home with Elf Creations. Summer 2020 Decorate with Me. Again, decorating videos. I'll have to check that out. And his garden, almost 2 years on. So I'm a garden enthusiast myself, so I can't wait to see what his looks like. We'll have to compare. Indiana Jones here has also been busy, and she does crafting and recipe videos as well, and decorating. And it looks like since we last checked in, wow, she wins the award for the most videos. Okay, since we last checked in, again, I'm sorry I haven't had a chance to really look at these videos yet, but how to make a trash can into treasure, interesting. A lot of cabin fever crafts, it looks like. Easter, which unfortunately we just missed. More cabin fever crafts. Manic Monday Monologues, Moira Rose from Schitt's Creek. I absolutely love Moira Rose. I did watch this video as soon as I saw it. Absolutely love how Indiana Jones portrays all of these fun and wacky characters, like little Edie here as well. So check her out if you want to see more, or if you're into crafting, because wow, just there are endless videos here, such as Mod Podge teacups in a fun wig. That will do it for our patrons. Again, I want to give you all a big thank you once more for supporting the channel, and even if you're not interested in becoming a patron, it really helps if you like, comment, and share the videos as well. So thank you all out there for watching and keeping up with the channel. Now, again, because it's all the way at the end of the month, I am going to do the giveaway just a little bit different this year. With coronavirus, I'm certainly not going to put together a box of my stuff and ship out to somebody, because you know, that would just be irresponsible. And I kind of racked my brain what to do this month. And I think I'm just going to end up giving out an Amazon gift card, a $25 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is enter by leaving a comment below, whatever you want to talk about. I don't care, because you know, it's coronavirus time and everybody's bored and just wants to talk. So leave me a comment. Maybe we'll chat, take it a little further. But I'm not going to do a live giveaway this month because the month is almost over, and I'm gonna do my giveaway announcement, hopefully something more interesting next month. Maybe that's what you want to tell me. What are you interested in getting in these giveaways? But we'll do our next month's giveaway hopefully early in the month, and at that time I'm just going to announce who is randomly chosen. You know, I'll use some sort of online random picker, and then I'll announce on that video who won the last one, announce the new video. We'll move on and try and be a little bit more timely with these videos. But that will do it for today. So I'm really feeling, actually I'm starting to feel a little bit more Halloween inspired. I think I was listening to some Halloween music the other day, just kind of randomly popped up in some playlist I was listening to. It kind of got me feeling it a little bit. And you know, that now that summer's here, it's starting to warm up. I feel like time's now starting to run out and we got to get busy. So we'll do that soon. So stay tuned. Till then, guys, take care. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting.